Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to schedule Instagram posts. As Instagram doesn't offer in-app scheduling of posts, we'll be using buffer.com for our purposes. Keep in mind that certain type of posts can be posted directly by Buffer, so in case this happens, you'll be able to at least create a reminder for the post. Single images and video posts on business profiles will be posted directly. For personal profile posts or certain aspect ratio posts, these will have to be finalized in the Instagram posts once you receive a reminder. To get the smooth sailing at once, make sure your profile is a business profile. Log into buffer.com and connect to Instagram under Social Accounts, Instagram. Or if asked, click Connect your social accounts. Once you sync up your Instagram account, tap on any given time in your schedule to create a new post. Here you have mostly familiar fields to fill in. Complete the post and click Schedule Post. Now you'll be able to see the post in the schedule screen. You can edit it or click Share Now to share it immediately. One thing to keep in mind is that you do want to have all your media and hashtags ready if you rely on Instagram app. Buffer does not offer filter or hashtag search capabilities, but once you have everything ready, it's really easy to schedule posts a few days ahead without having to constantly do it manually. What apps do you want to know about? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.